Over the Christmas holidays, one of my little cousins asked me while sitting around our dining table, Andrew, if you have no money whatsoever and you're going into the new year and would like to start make money in January, what would you do? What would you recommend? And I looked at her and I smiled and I said, there are so many things that you can do. There's so many things. There's so many ways that you can do to literally make money today, not only in January, but today. But while thinking about it, I said, I've also had people on this channel ask me how they can start make money right away, and that they're going through difficulties and how they can start make money right away. And that's why I've decided to make this video, so that I can show you one of the easiest strategy, one of the easiest ways going into the new year if you're a total beginner, how you can start earning right away in January. Right away going into the new year, how you can turn this into a real business and start making some money. And that's why in today's video, I'm going to share with you a very known strategy, but a secret hidden niche that a lot of people are not tapping into, where you can capitalize right now in the month of January and start making anywhere between $15 to $30 to $100 per hour utilizing this strategy. Now guys, before I jump into the strategy, in order for me to be more accurate in delivering the correct content for you guys by showing you ways how to make money online that works for you wherever you live, go ahead and comment in the description below, I am from XYZ country. Just say where are you from so that I can know where most of you guys are coming from. And this will help me to make videos that works for you in your specific country. And on top of that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release another video just like this one. And now let's talk about this strategy. So now guys, you want to head over to create.vista.com. This is a free graphic design tool with thousands of free templates that you can use to create your designs. And it's very easy to sign up. They offered a free account that you can register for, right? And there's also a pro version, but all you need is the free account because you get over 100k free design templates, over 1 million photos, videos, and vectors. You get brand kits with colors, logos, and fonts. You get free fonts, music, animation, background, and so much more, guys. So this is a really nice platform that you can use to create your designs, and it's very easy to sign up. All you have to do is just either click start design, or you will have this pop up if you already log into your Gmail to continue within your Gmail, and that will take you right into the platform. You can create quite a lot with this platform too, as well as it offers a wide range of categories that you can create from. And the registration process is pretty easy. After you put in your email address, all you have to do is just simply describe your project and work here, save and continue, and this will take you right into the platform. Now, once you're fully registered, you'll be taken into this platform here where you can just simply search for what you want to design. You can choose a size in here. They have quite a lot. And if you'd like to see what kind of categories, what they offer, you can play around with the templates, or you can easily go through and scroll out to see what you want. So as you can see, it is pretty straightforward. You have quite a lot of categories that you can choose from, and you can basically select any design that you wish. So this platform works similar like Canva, and the reason why I'm showing you this platform is because not a lot of people are actually using this. It is very known, but quite a lot of people will turn to Canva. And to register for Canva is pretty easy. All you have to do is just head over to canva.com, and it will ask you to sign in or to continue with your email address. If you're already logged into your email, all you have to do is just click continue, and this will take you straight into the Canva dashboard. And for Canva, you can get the 1 month pro free trial version, but after the 1 month you'll have to pay. But with Canva, you can create anything as well. There are quite a lot of categories that you can choose. So you can choose between the Vista, Create, or Canva. There are two amazing platforms. But with the Vista, you know that you can create quite a lot. You get quite a lot for free, and you can design and download as you wish. Now guys, what are we gonna create? I'm gonna share with you two really unique categories that you can use to make money online today. Now, the first category I want to share with you is logo. So all you have to do is just simply click logo, and you can go into, and you will find quite a lot of logo designs here. And this is within Create That Vista, right? And you can basically choose between quite a lot of designs that they have. It's very easy. All you have to do is just simply open up any one of these designs, and you can easily modify it. If you have used Canva before, then this is also pretty easy to use because both platforms work similar. You can modify everything that you want, and you also have the option to upload. You can also upload your own files, you can put your photos, you can find videos. They have quite a lot of stock footage and videos as well. So it works similar like Canva. Pretty straightforward, right? Pretty straightforward process. And within Canva, it is the same thing. You just simply have to go ahead and type logo, design, click enter, and you'll find quite a lot as well. Within Canva though, you have free options. So this would be a free option, but here is a pro option. So you will definitely need to have a pro account in order to use this. However, within Vista Create, you have quite a lot for free. So you can modify as you wish and go along and export whenever you're ready. Now guys, the next secret niche that I want to share with you is CV, right? So if you head over to any one of these platforms and you simply type resume or CV, you will find quite a lot of amazing templates that you can choose from. Very useful templates that you can modify and design, and this is within Canva. And if you go over to Vista Create, you can just simply type CV or resume, and this will also find you quite a lot of templates. And you can find the one that you can easily design for free and the one that you need to have the pro version. So the one with the light diamond here, this would be the pro version that you need to have to modify this, and the one that don't have it is simply the free option. And as you can see, they have quite a lot of free options that you can choose from. Within Canva, it is similar. You have the crown that signify the pro, and the free one basically has nothing over it, and you can choose between these two. So now I'm going to show you how you can make money. And the website that you want to use is simply head over to Fiverr.com. Now if you head over to Fiverr, guys, and you go to the navigation bar and you go to graphic and design, you will see quite a lot of things that you can do. And here you can find the logo design in the list, and you can also find the CV design. No, I don't want you to be limited to only these two categories, because there are quite a lot that you can choose from. And as you saw from both of the website as well, you have quite a lot of categories on the left side that you can choose between. And the same goes for Canva as well. So don't limit yourself. The idea is that you can use any one of these platforms to make money online. However, I am focusing on these two secret niches. So if you head over to Fiverr.com and you type, for example, logo, you realize that there are quite a lot of people actually buying logos. So if you look at this guy here, he sells over 1,000, right? This is basically comments, but I'm sure that he make over 1,000 sales by easily selling logos, right? So from $15 he's selling logo for, and he has quite a lot of reviews to his name, right? So that's pretty useful. And here you can find as well this person sell over 700, and if you go down the list, you see quite a lot more. Have a look at this: 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. So you can see, guys, that there is a market for selling logos here, and a lot of people right across the world are literally starting up business, especially going into the new year. You have people setting their New Year's resolution, want to create their business or start a new business, start a new website, and they need a logo. So there is a demand for this. The same goes for CV or resume. So if you search for CV within Fiverr website, you will realize as well that there is a market for CVs, right? Here's a person who's selling for like $20 and he have over 1K reviews, let's say. So he's making quite a lot of sales there. And if you scroll on more, another one for over 700 and another one for over 700. So there is a market, and this is an untapped niche. You want to dive into this. Why am I saying this, guys? It's the new year. There's quite a lot of people who are getting into the frame of mind that they would like to have a new job, that they would like to get more income, and either starting a business or getting a new job is gonna be on the mind of people. So this is the right time to capitalize on a particular niche like this, and you can offer your service by creating beautiful CVs for people. So when they go ahead and apply for their jobs, their CVs can stand out. And this is why I'm saying that this is a secret niche that you can tap into right now and start making money. As I said, you don't have to limit yourself by utilizing only these niches, because these two platforms, Fiverr and Vista, offers quite a lot on their website that you can tap into various niches. So you can capitalize on this going into the new year, offering your service and start making money today. Now you may be wondering, how can I offer my service utilizing this strategy? All you have to do, guys, is just simply create an account. So you will create an account on Fiverr.com as a seller and offer your gig. You'll create your gig. You can just simply open up one of these persons who are actually selling their service, and you can copy what they have, do some images as well. Just follow a similar pattern to what they're offering and offer your service, offer the tiers just the same as they do. You don't have to do anything fancy, just simply offer your services and offer your gig. And guys, if you don't have a computer, you can utilize your mobile as well. So if you head over to the Play Store, you can easily find the Vista Create application that you can see here, that over 1 million downloads, and it has a 4.3 rating, and you can easily download the application and start using it on your phone. So if you head over to the website and scroll to the bottom of the page, you can see that you can find it in the App Store and also the Google Play Store. So you can use this on whichever device you want. And the same goes for Canva. You can easily find this on the Play Store or the App Store, and you can just easily utilize in your phone to make these designs. Now guys, I really hope that you found some value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to hit the like button below and also subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to this channel. And as I said before, don't forget to comment below in the video and let me know where you're from so that I can make videos that are targeted to your specific country and your specific situation. I know that this will greatly help you in order to make some money online going into the new year. With that said, best of wishes going into the new year, and see you next time.